Hmm. My break was very good. Alpha F. I need to research. That fucking. Yeah, I understand very good. I can't. Yeah, I know it. I fucking know it. I. Okay, that's weird. I can't move it without power. I need to move again that buttons. Now I remember. I don't move it. This panel. This. If I move once. Excellent, I have got the like power. But now the power to 30%. Now I can see. Oh, there we go. Wait a moment, I need to. This is obvious not working. I don't have power. This. Oh wait, interrupt? Where this fucking interrupt has gone wrong? Let's see. Gone over here. Right now I activate the shields too. And this power. Stop asking for single player. The owner is very angry for that. Well, speed from past. I'm going to the past. Alright. Power down. Again? Go. Power down. Power up. I read bad. Off. I forgot that. Yes, I have the error. Is the final step I have to fix. And wait. go very wrong and my process I think go safe. I don't know. It's what time is it? Oh shit.